Hi, I am architect Alok Kothari, principal of Alok Kothari Architects, a young design studio based out of Pune. The Brick Abode is a house designed for a family of 5 located in the city of Pune. The site is situated in a quiet residential neighborhood of standalone bungalows. It has a P+3 structure on the east and single-story structures on the west and the south. The access to the site is from a 6-meter wide internal road on the north. The site is blessed with a lot of trees. It had a 25-year-old dilapidated structure which had to be demolished. The primary requirements of the client were the house should be simple but should make a statement in the neighborhood. The ground floor of the house should function like a 2-bedroom hall kitchen kind of a plan. And thirdly, the house has to be Vastu compliant. The study of the existing 25-year-old structure on the site gave us a lot of hints towards our design. All the spaces in that house were gloomy because of the P+3 structure on the east and the dense foliage of existing trees on the site, which did not allow the direct entry of sunlight into the house. So our primary focus was to get in as much natural light into the house as possible. And that's why our entire design is focused around a central skylight. It also doubles up as a Brahmasthan of the house, which is a very important element under the science of Vastu Shastra. The living and the kitchen are anchored on either sides of this central skylight, below which the magnet of the house is placed, that is the dining area. The dining area is flanked by an L-shaped folded plate ferrocrete staircase, which adds a plate to this space. The living extends onto an outdoor deck which is focused onto a traditional Rajasthani swing. The larger principle that we have used to plan this entire house is to divide the house into 2 zones along the north and south axis. One is the public zone comprising of the living, dining and the kitchen, and other is the private zone which comprises of bedrooms. The first floor follows the same grid and design principle. In order to harvest the rainwater, the entire surface runoff from the terrace is channelized through a water spout on the front facade into a recharge pit on the ground. Additionally, 3 kW solar panels have been installed on the terrace to generate electricity for the house. The concept was to have an earthy, warm and a natural look to the house, which guided our material palette. The usage of bricks on the external facade is inspired by the traditional residential typology of Pune, that is the Vadas. The advantage of using bricks for the external facade is that it has a timeless appeal, and when composed on a larger surface, its aesthetic is unmatched. In order to highlight the materiality of the brick, we have kept the massing very subtle and have avoided use of any bulky elevational elements. In order to break the monotony of the brick facade, we have introduced brick jali. The play of light and shadow created by it is a treat to one's eyes. Just like the exteriors, even the interiors have been designed to be simple and elegant. The main USP of the interior spaces is the use of patterns in defining different areas. Inspiration for this again lies in the study of traditional Indian architecture of temples and palaces. For example, the entrance lobby is defined using a star-shaped pattern. The son's bedroom is defined using a pattern forming out of the geometry of triangles. The science of Vastu Shastra believes that the usage of such patterns helps in boosting the energy flow, which in turn creates positive vibrations. We believe that these positive vibrations help in turning a house into an abode, and that's why we call this house the Brick Abode.